In this video, I'll show you how to use your TCL Smart TV without a remote control. Step 1. Use the TV's physical buttons. Most TCL TVs have buttons on the side or back, usually power, volume, and channel buttons. You can turn the TV on/off, adjust volume, and change channels using these buttons. Step 2. Use the TCL TV mobile app. Download the TCL TV remote app or a universal remote app like Android TV remote control on your smartphone. Connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. Open the app and follow the instructions to control your TV. Step 3. Use a universal remote. If you have a universal remote, you can program it to work with your TCL TV. Check the remote's manual for TCL TV codes and follow the pairing steps. Step 4. Use HDMI-C with other devices. If you have a device like a game console or streaming stick connected via HDMI, enable HDMI-C in your TV settings when you can access them. This lets you control some TV functions with your device's remote. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more helpful TV tips.